Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we're going to pick up where we left off and delve into the exciting world of painting and polishing your car wheels. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or achieve a sleek, glossy finish, we'll walk you through the steps to achieve professional-looking results right in your garage. Get ready to take your wheel refinishing skills to the next level as we continue our journey to revamp your ride. Primer, paint, and clear coat. The final stages of refinishing involve applying primer, paint, and a clear coat to protect and enhance the appearance of the wheels. High-quality automotive primer ensures proper adhesion of the paint and provides a smooth base for the color coat. Acrylic or enamel paint in your desired color, along with a clear coat for added gloss and durability, are essential for achieving a professional finish that withstands the elements. By having the right safety gear, cleaning supplies, sanding and polishing tools, as well as primer, paint, and clear coat on hand, you can embark on the journey of refinishing your car wheels with confidence and precision. Ensuring you have all the necessary tools and materials ready will streamline the process and help you achieve outstanding results that elevate the aesthetics of your vehicle. Step-by-step guide to refinishing car wheels. Refinishing your car wheels can breathe new life into your vehicle's appearance. Follow this step-by-step guide to achieve a professional finish that will make your wheels look brand new. Preparing the wheels. Before beginning the refinishing process, you need to prepare the wheels. Start by cleaning the wheels thoroughly with a wheel cleaner to remove dirt, grime, and brake dust. Next, remove the wheels from the car and clean the backside as well. After cleaning, use masking tape to protect the tires and valve stems from the refinishing products. Ensure the wheels are completely dry before moving on to the next step. Sanding the wheels. Sanding is a crucial step in refinishing car wheels. Begin by using low-grit sandpaper, around 200,400 grit, to remove the existing finish and any imperfections on the surface. Once the old finish is removed, switch to a higher grit sandpaper, around 800–1000 grit, to smooth out the surface. Be thorough in your sanding to ensure a smooth base for painting. Take your time and pay attention to detail, especially in the crevices and intricate patterns of the wheels. Applying primer, paint, and clear coat. After sanding, it's time to apply the primer to the wheels. Choose a high-quality primer specifically designed for automotive use. Apply a thin, even coat of primer to the wheels and allow it to dry completely before proceeding. Once the primer is dry, apply the paint color of your choice using smooth, sweeping motions. Be sure to apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat to avoid drips and uneven coverage. Allow each coat to dry before applying the next. Finish the refinishing process by applying a clear coat to protect the paint and give the wheels a glossy finish. Apply the clear coat in the same manner as the paint, using thin, even coats for the best results. By following these steps and taking your time with each stage of the process, you can achieve beautifully refinished car wheels that will enhance the overall look of your vehicle. Tips for a professional finish. When refinishing your car wheels, achieving a professional finish is essential to ensure a polished and long-lasting result. Here are 2 key tips to help you achieve that top-notch finish. Work in a well-ventilated area. Working in a well-ventilated area is crucial when refinishing car wheels. Proper ventilation helps to disperse fumes and ensures a safer working environment. Before starting the refinishing process, make sure you choose a workspace with adequate ventilation, such as a garage with open doors or windows. This will protect your health and help the paint cure properly for a flawless finish. Follow proper curing time. After applying the paint or clear coat to your car wheels, it's important to allow for proper curing time. Curing time refers to the duration the paint needs to dry and harden completely. Rushing this step can lead to a subpar finish or premature damage to the paint job. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the specific curing time needed for your products. Patience is key to achieving a professional finish that will stand the test of time. By working in a well-ventilated area and following the recommended curing time, you can elevate the results of your car wheel refinishing project to a professional level. Remember, Attention to detail and patience are your allies in attaining a flawless finish that will make your wheels look brand new. Maintaining refinished wheels. Taking care of your refinished wheels is key to keeping them looking great for a long time. Follow these simple maintenance tips to ensure your wheels stay in top condition. Regular cleaning and care. Regularly cleaning your refinished wheels is essential to prevent dirt, grime, and brake dust from building up and causing damage. Use a mild soap and water solution to gently clean the wheels, making sure to remove any debris from all the nooks and crannies. A soft bristled brush can help you reach tight spots without scratching the surface. After cleaning, dry the wheels thoroughly to prevent water spots. Avoid harsh chemicals. When cleaning your refinished wheels, avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that can damage the finish. Certain chemicals found in some wheel cleaners can be too abrasive and strip away the protective coating, leading to premature wear and corrosion. Stick to gentle cleaning solutions to preserve the finish and maintain the wheel's shine. Inspect for damage periodically. Regularly inspecting your refinished wheels for any signs of damage is crucial for catching issues early and addressing them promptly. Look for chips, scratches, or any areas where the finish may be peeling or flaking. If you notice any damage, take your wheels to a professional to have them repaired before the problem worsens. Prevention is key to extending the life of your refinished wheels. Taking the time to care for your refinished wheels will not only keep them looking their best but also protect your investment in customizing your vehicle. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can enjoy your wheels for years to come. Revamping your car wheels with a fresh refinishing job can truly elevate the overall look of your vehicle. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to achieve a professional finish that not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures durability. Remember to prioritize safety by working in a well-ventilated area and wearing appropriate protective gear. Don't rush the process. Take your time to sand, prime, paint, and clear coat each wheel meticulously. Your efforts will pay off with wheels that shine like new, adding a touch of style to your ride. So, grab your supplies and get ready to give your car a sleek makeover with revitalized wheels. As we conclude our series on refinishing car wheels, we hope the painting and polishing techniques discussed in Part 2 have empowered you to achieve stunning results on your own. Remember, with a little time and effort, you can transform the look of your ride and hit the road in style. Until next time, happy refinishing. And may your wheels turn heads wherever you go. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.